Hi everyone, welcome to Richmond Wheel and Caster. My name's Kurt and today we're going to show you one of our new products. It's the E-Loop Mini vehicle sensor. Now this is an Australian made product. It's something that is designed so that vehicles can automatically trigger a gate to open for exiting. Now this is something that in the past typically would have been done with a gate wand, but what we've found and through our testing is that this E-Loop does the same job with easier installation, much more reliable and much more robust as far as the unit goes as well. We'll show you a little bit more about how to install it. It is compatible with all of our motors. I've got one of our slide motors here. This is our GTR162. So we'll show you a few things, how to install it and how to get it up and running. So here we have the E-Loop Mini and this is what you'll get inside the box when you purchase one. This is the actual sensor that you would mount to your driveway. As you can see, it's all wireless and it's about the size of my hand, not too thick. You get the receiver, which would go inside the control box of your motor, and it just has 4 wires that go in the bottom. You've got the Allen key for the mounting plate and 2 mounting bolts to secure it to the ground as well, depending on how you install it. I've got one of the receivers here with some short wires. So as you can see, it's just 4 wires, long enough to get to the right terminals inside the box, and the rest is all wireless as far as the connection goes. I'll show you one that we've got wired up and then we'll go through some basic installations. Okay, so as we mentioned, there's a couple of different ways of installing these E-Loops. As you can see, they fit quite easily in your palm, so they're not overly large. We've had one here that we've been testing for a customer, and this one here we've buried. Originally we had it just placed on top of the gravel, but unfortunately the local pets were stealing them and hiding them. So we've now had it buried into the gravel, probably about 2 or 3 inches. And this has been running for about 3 or 4 months with no issues. It is in a well-drained area, so it's not sitting in water, but this has been operating correctly for 3 or 4 months. It's been driven over a few times with no issues with breakage. So it's fully impact tested and happy to be buried to a certain level. You can run with an optional concrete pad, which we'll try and show you, but it will operate correctly in gravel as is. So here we have our GTR156. I won't show you the wiring points because that will all be in the manual and in the wiring diagrams, depending on which motor you want to add it to. But I will show you just how easy it is to pair one of these up once they're wired in. So this one here, I've used a longer cable just to be able to show you. This receiver would normally sit inside the case. To pair these two together, basically you've got a code button on the receiver here. Move the E-Loop close, you press that once and a blue light will show up. A yellow light went off on the E-Loop and the blue code light flashed 3 times. That's it. This is now paired and you can go and fit this to your driveway and let it calibrate itself. Okay, so that's our E-Loop. As I said, great little Australian design product that we're excited to see in the market. The video should help you with everything you need there. We've also got a lot of other videos on our website and of course on YouTube, so check out the videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we'll see you next time.